Welcome back to Fact Law. Today, we're diving into a more esoteric topic. Why Brazil always speaks first at every UN General Assembly. The reason is suitably charming. Brazil, being the first country to speak at the UN General Assembly, can trace its origins back to João Carlos Muniz, a Brazilian diplomat, who in 1955 decided to simply stand up and request to speak before anyone else. Surprisingly, the request was granted, setting a tradition that endures to this day. It's a quirky historical footnote that showcases the power of initiative. But there's also a more practical reason. The UN follows an alphabetical order for its speakers, based on the English language. So, if we're going strictly by the alphabet, Brazil usually has the advantage of speaking early due to its name beginning with a B, but here's an interesting twist. The first country to speak isn't necessarily the same every year. It depends on the specific session, as some countries may choose to speak or not speak on certain occasions. It's a subtle aspect of UN protocol that most people might not be aware of. So, there you have it. The intriguing reason why Brazil often speaks first at every UN General Assembly. It's a blend of charisma, historical initiative, and alphabetical ordering. Here's an extra tidbit for you. The UN General Assembly holds its meetings in 6 official languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. This multilingual diversity is a testament to the UN's commitment to inclusivity and effective communication. If you found this video insightful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fact Law for more intriguing facts and stories from around the world. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious.